In this ukulele review, we are going over the Ohana CK-450-QEL. What does that even mean? All I know is one thing. This is one bad boy. This is, or bad girl, however you want to call it, but this is a concert all solid quilted eucalyptus. That's just a little taste. We're going to stop it right there. We'll do more playing of that in a second. But first of all, welcome. This is ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and this is a review of the CK. That's a concert quilted eucalyptus ukulele. That's available at my store, the #1 store online, store.ukelikethepros.com. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and then as you're watching this video, smash that like button to show me your love. All right, so this is a great ukulele, fantastic. Ohana, if you've seen my other reviews, Ohana excels, in my opinion, in the solid wood category at great prices, but really high quality. And this one, they kind of stepped it up a little bit. So as you know, I like the 35 series, which is their solid mahogany, but this solid eucalyptus, man, it is really, really nice. I'm going to show you what little upgrades they did, including the armrest and some other things. We'll do some playing so you can figure out what this quilted eucalyptus actually sounds like, because you can already tell it looks absolutely amazing. So shall we? Let's just go ahead and dive in. I'll play a little song, and then we're going to get into this great instrument. I'll do some more finger picking. It's still ringing out right there. So as you know, I love solid wood ukuleles. I push them as much as I can because they really do sound better. And usually when they're made out of solid wood, the manufacturer, the brands, they just put a little bit more care into the instruments. And this one is absolutely fantastic. Let's just check it out. All right, we got just gorgeous quilted eucalyptus. Who would have thought eucalyptus would look this cool and actually sound as good as it do? Is that right? As it does. Anyway, just based off that first plan, I forgot to ask you, leave a comment below. What do you think so far of this? But just absolutely gorgeous, all solid wood, as I mentioned. What I love about this is that they do have the abalone rosette. Abalone purfling, that's the purfling, the stuff on the top here that goes around the edges. The binding is what's on the side. But usually this purfling, a lot of times, is just a little piece of wood or a little piece of plastic or something, but they actually went all the way and did the abalone, which really gives it a really sparkly, high-end look to it. Plus, with that gloss finish, it looks really cool. All right, and then you have this really nice dark mahogany binding, and what I love about it is they brought it around to this armrest right here. So they have this really cool armrest. It's really smooth, really nice. And then just the binding, this dark binding versus the light eucalyptus looks really amazing. Again, it's all solid on this thing. And then even in the back, and now check this out. They put the abalone purfling on the back and then right down the center. So these kind of things really give it a really great look. And it brings the price up a little bit. But again, for what you're getting, this is absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. This, again, is a concert size. I'll tell you the scale length, the nut width here in a second. And by the way, we'll go over this cool headstock. Don't think I forgot about that. All right, let me do a little finger picking, and then we'll get right back into this. we'll just end right there. That's part of my fingerstyle mastery course. Just kind of a a sample of it. If you're interested in that fingerstyle or really anything on ukulele, music reading, strumming, songs, it's all over at ukelikethepros.com. We got all those courses. We got free stuff as well. And we got a fantastic premium membership. Make sure to come over, be part of the Ukulele Pros Nation. All right, so I just wanted to get you really the sound of this thing. This one does have a high G on it. Okay, high G. You could put a low G on it if you want as well. All right, let's dive into this. We got the solid mahogany neck. You do have the gloss neck here, just like you have on the body here. You got the really nice upgraded tuning pegs here. And then you also have the nice head plate, the eucalyptus here on the headstock. But then look at this headstock. What is going on here? How cool is that? When have you seen a headstock like that? You haven't. I have it. It is slotted and it has a really cool, unique shape. When we get down here, we do have 1 3/8 inches. I think that's 35 millimeters. And then we do have a concert scale length from the nut to the saddle. That's 15 inches. So that makes this a concert. And then you do have the really pretty flower right there on that. Oh, no, by the way, I didn't even point this out, but it has a cool line right in the middle of this this neck here. Like I said, really great instrument. What do you think of it? Leave that comment below. And thank you again for subscribing to the channel. I think it's a really great instrument. Fantastic. The eucalyptus, the sound of it, it's bright, but it's not like spruce, right? Spruce is it really pops and really loud. This is bright, but it has a nice warmth to it. You hear really a lot of these really nice overtones. And again, with a high G, you even get a little bit of extra brightness. So if you had a low G on it, it would actually even bring you down more to that mid-range bassy area if that's something you like. So really a really nice sounding instrument and kind of unusual because eucalyptus, you don't really think of that as ukulele, but I think they did a great job. It's quilted, although it does have some like flame on it too. So quilted / flame, it looks fantastic. It sounds fantastic as well. So let me do one more piece. You know, I like the blues. We'll do a little blues. I usually do a blues in A. Let me find another key and then, again, I want to see what you think. Leave that comment below. What in the heck is going on here? I started in E, I ended A. I don't really know, but I think it sounded kind of cool. At least you get the idea of it. So anyway, CK-450-QEL. This is a quilted eucalyptus, all solid wood, Ohana, available at store.ukelikethepros.com. Make sure to check it out. These are absolutely fantastic, great instruments. You're going to love this thing right here. So appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the comments, the like button, the subscribe, all that stuff. It does really help. And so I do appreciate you doing it here. So that's going to do it for me. I got to run up to my mom's. So I got to get out of here. You take care of yourself and I'll see you next time.